Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back in with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you another toolbox tour, so stay tuned. Hey guys, if you want to support this channel, please check out my merch site. Link will be down in the comments section below, templagear.shop. Thank you very much. Okay, so first things first, you can see a new drill press. This is the Dayton 3Z917. And right next to it, we have the Bauer bench grinder. We have the Flux 125 welder. My messy workbench. I have a security bit set right there. My SAE T-handles. Milwaukee impact driver. A rigid battery charger that I'm in the process of fixing because it doesn't work. I have some hammers and an old hand drill right there. All my batteries. And I just got these the other day. Got a small file set and a new soldering iron. Just some various tools. I got some more Allens in there. Got some calipers. Cheap pair. Some files. Here's my electrical drawer. I have an OBD2 scanner. Wow, I can't think of the name of it. Wire strippers, multimeter, cheap heat gun, but it works. Have my giant tap and die set right there. Got a 1/2-inch torque wrench, a tire inflator right there, my 3 air nailers. What's this one? Slide hammer, torque sticks, oxygen sensor sockets. Then I have a smaller tap and die set and my radiator leak detector set. Also have my clamps. All my sockets, which I'm still trying to finish organizing. Still got just some left over there and those right there, but most of these are Harbor Freight. I do have some gear wrench. I think those ones are gear wrench. These ones are Craftsman. Also have some Icon on here. Lots of ratchets. This one I restored recently. Came out pretty nice. I have just regular Pittsburgh. I have Icon. I think I have Craftsman, Cobalt, and gear wrench, I believe. Have some Icon screwdrivers, the mini ones. Also have the mini Torx. My cordless screwdriver set. This thing's pretty cool. It actually works really well with electronics. Another bit set, speed out Torx right there. Got some more screwdriver bits. A couple screwdrivers here as well. My pliers. A couple adjustables in here. Anyone that knows me knows that these are my favorite wrenches. Love using them, love restoring them. I have a few more that I'm going to be showing you soon. All my wrenches. I also have some Allen screwdrivers. Not sure why I put them in there. Probably because I don't have room anywhere else for them. Let's see. Bauer 3/8 impact wrench. Bauer, impact driver. DeWalt 1/2-inch drill. Have the Milwaukee, what's it called? This is called multi-tool. Have the Milwaukee rotary tool, which is pretty much just a Dremel. The Hercules 3/8 cordless ratchet, the extended one. Cordless screwdriver, 1/4-inch impact wrench, DeWalt 1/2-inch impact wrench, Milwaukee hacksaw, another Bauer screwdriver, Milwaukee 3/8, Hercules cutoff wheel, so have the Pittsburgh 1/4-inch ratchet, also have a blowgun down there. We have a DeWalt sander, we have the Bauer, their version of the Sawzall. I also have a cordless angle grinder down there. Some other saws, another saw. Also, I just remembered I have the corded Bauer grinder. Over here is all the tools that I'm either going to restore, and I think I also have some restored tools in here. These jaws were fully rusted. They came off of this vise, and I had them soaking in Evaporust for, I think it was a day, and they came out nice. Like, this is without any scrubbing or anything. Rigid impact driver. We have these two are for splitting logs. I actually might make this into a hammer. Not sure. Debating. I have some sockets. Little T-handle. Mod end drill bits, another drilling type stuff. One of my drawers for pliers that I'm going to restore. This should be a nice, easy one to do. Maybe I'll do that in an upcoming video very soon. Some more pliers that I plan on restoring. Drawer. Well, have some of my rotary tool bits in there. Some wrenches that just need some slight cleanup. Bunch of screwdrivers. I got these 3 recently at Zagre. Have a, I think that's a 3/8 speed wrench. This is a Yankee, what number is it? Number 130A ratcheting screwdriver. Old auto wrench, pry bar. Some other hammers. Another 3/8 speed wrench. Nice old hammer I got from a flea market. Another hand drill. That's a pipe wrench I restored. Restored this one not too long ago. Very happy with this little corporation. Here's a toolbox I did probably a couple weeks ago. My old toolbox that I used to put tools I'm going to restore in, but obviously doesn't fit in nothing fits in there anymore. Have some more old hand drills. All my battery chargers. And 2 more auto wrenches. It's my workbench. Small air compressor, shop vac, garbage can. 5-gallon bucket that has some evaporust in there. And a garbage can just so I can put small parts in there and not have to worry about losing them. And then here's another tool I'm working on. I love this angled die grinder that Milwaukee makes. Thing's amazing. Another pair of pliers. Vise that I'm gonna restore very soon. Another vise that I've restored. One of my most recent videos that I restored this. Go check it out. And this vise. I love this vise. I think I spent like 40, 50 bucks on it maybe. But it's amazing. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.